I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from Stripe to Affirm, follow these steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by accessing your Stripe dashboard using your credentials. This is where you'll manage your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, find the Payouts tab on the left-hand menu. This section shows your available funds for transfer. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you try to transfer more than your available balance, you'll receive an error message. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Click on the transfer button after entering the amount. Follow any prompts to confirm the transaction. Step 5. Check Affirm for the deposit. After initiating the transfer, log into your Affirm account to verify that the funds have been deposited. This may take a few minutes. Hopefully, this guide helps you transfer your funds without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.